Paco hasn't come out of his bed yet. It's been raining lately, and Paco already doesn't have a lot of fur on, so he doesn't want to come out, I bet. Come on! Come on! Paco. Let's go. Come on. Stretching. Come on. Let's go. Gotta feed you. Come here. Come on. Someone came home. Come on, let's go. Come on. The blanket's still on you. Okay, there you go. Paco, no, come back. Let's go.